Today we're going to be cooking a warm Malabar spinach salad with a bacon vinaigrette. So let's review the ingredients you'll need for today's recipe. First, you'll need 8 ounces of young Malabar spinach. You'll need 2 large eggs that are hard boiled. You'll need 8 pieces of extra thick sliced bacon. You'll need 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 4 large white mushrooms sliced, and 3 ounces of red onion, thinly sliced. First thing you'll want to do for this recipe is heat up a medium saute pan. And we're going to cook our bacon. I like to use a lot of bacon, so sometimes I'll even double the bacon for this recipe. You'll want your bacon to be medium diced, and you'll want to slowly cook the bacon. We refer to this as rendering the fat. The bacon fat is going to serve for the base of the vinaigrette dressing that we're going to put on the salad. So this process takes a little bit of time, so you'll want to set some extra time aside to make sure that the bacon is cooked thoroughly and that you've been able to render all of the bacon fat without overcooking the bacon. So you want crispy bacon pieces, but you don't want them too crispy. So I like to use a wooden spoon, move the bacon pieces around a little bit, and cook them until they're well done and crispy. Once the bacon starts to crisp up a little bit, I'm going to have a pan to the side, and we're going to pull the bacon off and set it to the side and reserve the bacon fat separately. So you want to give this an occasional stir. This whole process will probably take anywhere from 7 to 8 minutes. So your bacon continues to cook. It's getting a little bit crispier. We're almost finished. So I'm going to remove the bacon from the pan, and I'm going to save the bacon fat into a separate dish. You don't want to leave back any of those good bacon bits. Now I'm going to bring my pan back to the heat. I'm going to be on a medium-high heat. It's probably number 5 or 6 on most home cooks or home ranges. We're going to add in the red wine vinegar, the Dijon mustard, the sugar. And we're going to mix that around. And we're going to add in the bacon fat and make our bacon vinaigrette. I'm going to stir all these ingredients together. Set the pan off to the side briefly. And now we're going to come to a mixing bowl, take our Malabar spinach and add it into the bowl. Going to add in our sliced mushrooms. Going to add in our red onion. I'm going to add a little bit more spinach. This will probably serve 4 people. Now I'm going to bring my bacon vinaigrette over from my stove, pour it over top of the ingredients here. I'm going to toss the salad in the bacon vinaigrette. So the warm bacon vinaigrette is going to lightly wilt the spinach. Going to add in our bacon. And we'll use the rest of the bacon for a garnish later. So because the Malabar spinach has such broad, thick leaves, we want to make sure that we toss it around and get all of the ingredients coated in the vinaigrette. And so there's going to be a little bit of cooking here because of the warm bacon vinaigrette. It's going to wilt the spinach. It's going to be a really nice, what we call a composed salad. So to serve this dish, we like to use a nice large serving plate. I'm going to lay my ingredients here on the plate. Gonna garnish with a little extra bacon. And then we're going to garnish with our hard-boiled egg. So I just peeled the egg. I'm going to slice the egg in half and serve it on this salad. And here we have the Malabar spinach salad with warm bacon vinaigrette.